Hey guys, and welcome back to my channel. It's your girl Fifi. I hope you guys are ready for this brand new video that is coming for 2020. Today's video is basically me talking and recapping on my 2019 journey, and I must say it will be a long time, so make sure you got your popcorn, your fizzy pop, your tea, your coffee, your latte, whatever it is you gotta drink, because this is going to be a hell of a bumpy ride. Well, in this video today, it's just basically me talking about my journeys in 2019, my good, my bad, the in between. And basically with that, I just want to talk about how I dealt with my situations, what I could have done. Start off by saying, first of all, I want to take a moment to shout out to everybody that's been supporting me with my videos, with my content, you know, subscribing to my channel. I just can't thank you guys enough. My Instagram views are getting up there, and one of my videos are peaking at 1,000 views, and I'm so proud of that. And it's literally done without any help of anyone but myself. So I'm just grateful and gracious with that, and I'm so happy. And first and foremost, I just want to shout out to everybody that's supporting, sharing my content, sharing my little inventions and all sorts. It's just been an amazing event, and I just can't thank you guys enough for that support. Thank you. Right, so basically what I'm going to go recapping on now is to remember as much as possible, because, you know, I have a very short memory span and my brain is not very good. So I'm going to make it as eventful and progressive as possible, and take each month at a time. Like 2 seconds. January 2019 was the start to the new year, and I was in Birmingham with my family, which I was so happy about. And I had of 2018 leading to 2019 obviously, and I had went to church with my mom, who at the Rock in Handsworth in Birmingham, and the church was filled with people, and the ceremony was amazing. It was just full of fire, full of passion. It was a great way, you know, to get into 2019 with the grace of God in you. It was really nice. It was really absolutely nice. I mean, I can't complain. It was very much amazing. And within that, came back home where I am based in Stoke, and my daughter turned 5, and I did her a nice little beautiful party. It was a very beautiful event. I may try see if I can put some pictures, if I can find it, in the video, so you guys can see the little event that I did for her. It was so cute. It was amazing. It was a great day. The house was filled. I did a little house party. The house was completely filled with people, and you know, it was amazing. I had little mini eatables and stuff and all that stuff. So yeah, and she went back into school. She started year 2 in September of 2018, leading into 29. No, excuse me. She started year 2 in 2019, and she still continues in this year. Yes, that's how I was supposed to say. But anyways, yeah, so she's in year 2 now, and she's growing up so much. She's thriving so well considering her health defects. I'm not going to get into it, but she had a lot going on with her health, and she's literally striving, and she's doing so well. And it makes me feel like a great mom that she's doing so well, and she's so amazing. She's so bright. She's just an amazing little girl, and she's an inspiration to why I'm doing this right now. And I'm pulling every strings this year up until uni to try and get this video and content out there. And there's videos that are pending to come, don't you worry. A lot more eventful. February, my sister turned 24, and I done her a nice little birthday cake. We went out to eat at Tattoo in Birmingham. It was a beautiful day. I tried to merge some pictures for that as well. It was great, beautiful. She looked amazing with a nice little glittery gown. She was amazing. Her hair was in a little short bob, and I was in my 2-piece outfit by RB London. And it was a great event. I had my hair wet curl with a little ombre blonde, so it was cute. My nude face and everything. So all of that was great. March, nothing really big or nothing really. It was just really me focusing on YouTube and trying to put more content out there, and try to get out there with more exposure, trying to get, you know, in with the celebrity realm and all that stuff. April, I could say April was more quiet. But then I had my little downshares of phones where I fall out with people. It's normal to, I won't say it's normal, but it happens in life where you can have one day where you're happy with someone and then the next you completely vanish out their life, you know. So I've had that little, my fair share of that, and stuff like that. And in about May, it's been more of me trying to apply for uni because I wanted to go back in to do step up to higher education at Staffordshire University. Because coming up September 2020, I was looking to go into business management. And with business management, I wanted to get my degree because I've been trying that for many years, even before I gave birth to my daughter. So it was that basically, but that as well. And then I then say April, May, and then through to June, I spent the summer holidays as my daughter broke up from school. I spent the summer holidays in Birmingham house sitting for my mum because my dear mum, so jealous of her, went on holiday to Canada, Toronto, Canada. And she went with my little brother, and then my other little brother, he went to Turkey to go visit his family because my brother's half Turkish, two of them. So they went to go and see their family and enjoy themselves. And then my mum and my brother went over because my brother turned 12 on June, so that was when his birthday and the date of the blah blah blah. And then my mum turned 50 in July, so she went as a little birthday treat. So, you know, it was great, and you know, I had a little nice eventful time with my sister and my daughter, and we tried to do as much activities and times and do a lot of fun things with her because, you know, she's 5 at the time and she's exploring, she's growing, so we tried to put that into perspective. In August of 2019, I had an email from the Staffordshire Uni staff, the head of Step Up to Higher Education, and sorry, he granted me an interview. And the interview was basically me getting the spot back onto my uni course. So I went to the interview. He knew me before because I went on the course before, but I had to drop out due to unforeseen circumstances. And then I went straight back into back on it again of last year, and I got the spot, and then I was great, happy, just enjoying the rest of the summer holidays, and it was amazing. September is when my daughter goes back to school, and on the 23rd of September I started the course, which was lasted 12 weeks on the Step Up to Higher Education course. Or I did like a Monday and Tuesdays 10 till 2 every week. And I remember the first assignment I was very familiar with because I did it before, but I actually failed that course, and then I've done it again. And with the grace of God and perseverance, I sat down and I meditated and I made sure I concentrate very hard, and I passed, because the last score I got before was 35, which is a fail. I got a 45. You got to get a 40 mark to pass the course, to pass the assignment. So I did a 45. So yeah, I am well happy with that. I was so pleased with myself. And then as prolonging on from September, October, I turned 29. Believe it or not, I know. I turned 29 in October. I went on a trip to Shoreditch in London, and I booked the hotel and by Montcalm in Shoreditch. Amazing hotel. I can't fathom enough how amazing that hotel is. I will submerge pictures in this video so you guys can, you know, be in the feel of my journey. It was amazing. I can't fathom enough how amazing it was. Went to the spa. Unfortunately, I couldn't do much spa pictures because we're not meant to have our phones in the spa, which is understandable. If anyone's phone gets thrown in the water, Montcalm is not liable for it, because we've been telling you, look on the sign said it already. Do not bring no mobile phone in the spa. And if you're dropping in the water, not my problem. So basically that, but otherwise than that, the food in Montcalm Hotel restaurant was amazing, high quality. The whole service was beautiful. The bed was very comfortable. The whole scenery was comfortable. And my favorite part was that the curtains can open automatically. Just press a button, it just opens itself. I wish I could do that in mine. It would be so amazing. So anyways, I went back to Birmingham and then I went straight back to Stoke. Come back, back to normality because it's half term at usual times. Back to normality, and there I go, boom, back to uni. Daughter's back at school, concentrating on a lot of the work, doing as much as possible, focusing as much as I can, and boom, December the 3rd, I had officially completed the course. And that was the best accomplishment of 2019 for me. And it was just amazing. I'm just so happy. I'm so blessed. I'm just happy that that chapter of my life that I've tried so hard to fulfill has come true. And even clap my hands because I am so happy. It's just amazing to see that, you know, when they say, like Aaliyah will say, if you don't succeed, try again. Never give up hope, never give up your dream, never give up on anything. What you set your mind to, you put your mind to it, okay? 3 weeks after, in December, I was scared because the final assignment was determined for me to get on the course, and I swear to God, I was over the moon that I started crying. And I had to go out for a drink because it was such an amazing news. I've got a place at Staffordshire Uni, the 3-year degree of business management, BA Honours. I am so proud of myself. Like, it's such an achievement. I don't care whatever it is. It's as small as having a new life, bringing a new life in the world is an achievement. Buying a new TV is an achievement because not a lot of people can afford a TV. Getting your nails done, doing your eyebrows is an achievement, which I'm not gonna lie, Mom need doing. I'm not wearing any makeup, guys, because I thought, you know what, you're gonna see me in my new natural form. But anyways, I don't know why did I kind of emphasize that. But I just cannot fathom enough how happy I am with how 2019 ended. 29 years of living, and I'm just saying this now, like, this is the best. 2019 from July till December, I could say was the best year for me, best moment for me, sorry, because it's made me push me to beyond my limits. What's the best? And a short little note to you guys: whatever you set your mind to, don't let anything set you astray. Keep focused, put your mind to it, get what you need, focus, be happy. Don't let nothing or anyone get in the way of your happiness, because only you are in the pursuit of happiness. No one else can do it for you. And I've learned that from myself. And never, and this is my advice to you guys, for me personally, I take it on the chin. Don't rely on anybody, rely on yourself, because only you can have you and your back. No one else can, unless they can physically and emotionally show that to you. That's my bet for that. But anyway, guys, I did say I'm gonna let this video be short and sweet. I tried to cram up as much each month of my event of the year in one. Guys, I have many projects I'm undergoing this year. First one, on the 2nd of February, I will be at the Old Drum Centre doing my first teaching course with Ivy Wild on February of this year. I have in the description below if you guys are interested to purchase your tickets. You get your tickets on eventbrite.co.uk. I'll put the link down the bottom so you guys can click in, buy your tickets. Is affordable. The event is from 10 till 2. Make sure you guys are actually able to come. It'd be great because you can learn about how to do your K-rolls and your braids if you're not very familiar with that. As you can see, I'm wearing this and I've done it myself. It's about a month and a half old, so I do need to take it out, but I don't care. Subscribe to my channel. Make sure you guys are following me on Instagram, hairstress_by_fifi. Make sure you guys share this video. I'll put a snippet on my Instagram, but please go straight through to my YouTube channel, as this will be only on YouTube. Any other videos that I'll be doing coming forward will be on Instagram and Facebook. I mean, Instagram and YouTube, excuse me. But make sure you guys are subscribing. And I'm actually working on a major project at the moment. I'm not going to say anything, but you will see it in my video subscript, where you will see the journeys that I went through, where I went through this project. So I'm gonna put my project in my video so you guys can be part of that journey with me. Some of you may know what it is, some of you may not, so I'm not gonna say any more. But thank you guys for watching. I hope you guys have had a beautiful Christmas and a very amazing entry to 2020. I hope 2020 makes you see a lot more, you learn more, you prosper more, and you concentrate more and focus on what's very important: love, freedom, positivity, and your family. Thank you all guys, and have an amazing day.